What's going on, guys? This is your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income. And today, I'm going to just do a quick little update on FX Scalper. If you ain't had a chance to come check this out, I'd come take a look at it, guys. But before we dive into that, let me hit you with that disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor, nor would I tell you what to put your money in, how to spend it, do all of that. You already know anything that we do online is gambling. So make sure you have your gambling funds before you get into anything online. Do your own research, your own due diligence. You already know the spiel. But all right, guys, let's dive into FX Scalper. I done a video a couple of days ago. I put it out there, just kind of showing what I'm doing. I just made another deposit today. So what my strategy is going to be is, I have other little platforms running in the background. So every time I get a little $50 or whatever from those platforms, I'm just going to throw it over here because, like I said, I want to build this account as big as I possibly can, and then just compound the heck out of it so that way I can, see a nice little daily ROI. All right. So basically, how this FX Scalper Fund works is they actually have it's called a MT4. You can get more information on that if you want to go over to their Telegram group. I'll leave that Telegram link in the description below the video. But you can go over there, kind of get a little bit more transparency on what's going on, how they're trading, and basically they're trading on with a company called FX Choice, and that's like a third-party broker company, and which allows them to run their bots, run their softwares and their trades and all of that or whatever, and it allows them to be able to sub those accounts out, and then that way you get into the same trading pool that the company is trading with, and then they break you off with your ROI depending on how much you have in the platform. So that's pretty much how they work. So they are really trading, so you can go get all that transparency if you go over there and check out the Telegram group. Most definitely I'd highly recommend that you go over there and look at it. But we all know that anything that as in crypto is definitely it's a risk. It doesn't matter what platform it is, doesn't matter what you get into, it's all risky. So just make sure that you know what you're doing when you get into things like this. But I will put this on a lower risk of them all, because the admin is very is very transparent. They're updating. They're always on it. Support works, because I had an issue with some of my with my funds or whatever. I hit them up and they got that taken care of, and got me hooked right on up. Didn't have no problems with that. So like I said, everything that you're, if you're, looking for something that, it's not a real big earner. So I'm not going to sit here and try to say that you're going to be making set the world on fire money in 2 and 3 and 4% type days or whatever, but you potentially can. So it's not they don't even give you a set percentage, which I kind of like, because then that way, it varies from day to day, so it's never going to be the same on a daily basis. Okay, so it could be less than a percent, or less than a half a percent, or it can be more than a percent or more than 2%. Okay, just depending on how the forex market is doing as soon as that day or that week or whatever. Okay, so it's gonna go up, just like any market. It's gonna go up or go down. So they are forex trading with this particular company. All right, so that's gonna be my strategy going forward. So every single week, as I make profits in some of my other businesses that I'm doing, other platforms, I'm gonna start taking $50 to $100 a week, and I'm gonna go ahead and start dumping it in here, and just start auto compounding this thing, which is cool. They have the auto compound button down here. You can auto reinvest your your balance on a daily basis. They do send you an email every single day to let you know how much how much your profit was for the day. So I think that's pretty cool. So that way you don't necessarily always have to come click on the website every day. You can just check your email, and they'll have it there and give you what your balance is looking like there also. So if you kind of want to get a bird's eye view on what you can do with the platform, you can definitely come over here. They also have a little a little calculator you can come play with. So you can just put in the amount you want to come in with. But I do want to remind you that it is a $50 minimum to get started with this. So like I said, that's very, very inexpensive for you guys that don't want to put in a whole lot of money in these types of platforms. I get it, but that's why I say it's a low risk, because you can put in a small amount of money and then just grow it over time however you want to do it. So the more that you put into the actual system, the more money you'll be able to take out. So you always want to keep that in mind. So if you coming over here and just say you want to drop in $1,000, that's just dependent on you or however you want to do it. I'm not telling you to do that, but whatever your risk tolerance is, then all means do it. So average monthly rebate is going to be between $100 $200 a month. So on a daily rebate will be between $4.55 and $9 a day. So like I said, it's not set the world on fire every single day. You're getting 15, 20, $30, things of that nature when you put into this thousand. But keep in mind, the more you compound it, of course, the more this number is going to go up on a daily basis. So you determine on when you want to start pulling out of the platform, when you want to you get to a set little amount, a daily amount that you're comfortable with. So that just depends on you. Some people might be happy with getting $4 or $5 a day, to do something else with. Some people maybe want $30 a day. Some people may want $50 a day. So it's just all about your grind and how you're going to go about it, how much your risk tolerance is. Okay. Now, I just want to hit on a couple more points over here. If you go down, scroll down here, see that gives you the gives you all of the percentages of the month that they've been in business. So they've been doing this ever since 2019. So here's all of the here's all the profits that they're doing for the month. So January 11. February they did 8%, 9% in March, 13% in April, 9% in May, 14% in June, 15 in July, August 21, September 19, 21 in October, 13 in November, and 4% in December. So that gives them a year to date of 161%. So I mean, you just look at it. If you have you have your Bitcoin floating around in here, and it's actually compounded for you, you're going to be able to see those type of profits or whatever. Not saying that you're going to get this 8 or 9% per day, but I mean those are pretty good profits that you're getting on a monthly basis. And especially when you're not really even working for it, you just put it in here, and just kind of like a bank account, you just put it in there and let it compound interest for you. And then time to time, whenever you need something or you need a couple dollars, you come over here and pull it out. Now, for you guys that want to get out here and you want to promote this thing and get it out, they do have affiliate program tied to it. I'm not going to get all the way into the numbers and how all that works, because like I said, me, guys, you've been following me forever. It doesn't matter if you join me in the business or not, because those are the type of platforms I like getting in that's going to make me money regardless if you join or not. So that's what some of you guys have to look forward to as well. Some, especially for the ones that are not out here promoting and putting their links out there and sharing them around Facebook or YouTube or wherever, whatever, things like that. So if you're not doing any of those things and you just want to earn some passive income, this might be a perfect platform for you to come in and take a look at. But like I said, I'll leave all the links in the description below this video. Definitely go over there and check out the Telegram group, and go over there to Fxscalper so you can see, get a little bit more transparency on what's going on and see, the real life things behind the scene. I highly recommend that you do that if you want to get involved with this. But all right, guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.